turn that high line. And it is tight. Oh, it is tight to get up in this thing, man. Yes, sir. You know we had to do that one time while we was in here, man. Had to do that one time. We're gonna come out on the other end right here. You see where we're going. You see where we're going. We're about to get on get a couple track rides in, and I think, oh, we gotta turn up this way. See where we're going. Track rides. We're about to take a couple laps around the track really quick, man. Charlotte Motor Speedway. Hopefully y'all can see it. See where we at. Getting here kind of early. Try to get it in and out. So yeah. All right, no passing. So yeah, we gotta follow the rules. We are out here. You see. Alright, man, so what I'm gonna do, man, so welcome back to the video, man. First time tuning in, of course, you know what you gotta do, man. Go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, do all that for me. New viewers, appreciate your support. What I'm gonna do here, we're gonna get a couple of laps on the track. I'm gonna take you along with me, get a little point of view ride. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch over to my hat clip, so that way you guys get a good view of everything. So I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get to that part. So we just chilling on the track, Charlotte Motor Speedway. You see the rally rails just right back there. Behind this right rod here, man. So chilling on pit road, man, and I'll pick y'all up when we get on the track. Hopefully, actually, I'm gonna change my speedometer here. I want y'all to maybe get a good idea how fast we're gonna go, and hopefully we get some good speed on this thing today, man. So there you go, with 0 miles per hour, because we're not moving, of course. So I'll pick y'all back up when we start moving. All right, I think we're about to pull off here. I see the trucks coming. Hopefully we can get some pretty decent speed and whatnot. So let me put my parking brake off and whatnot. Yeah, of course I got sport mode on. I mean, I'm trying to have a little fun out here. I'm not sure what they're gonna let us do. They probably gonna have us be safe and all that. So hopefully we get to do, man, hopefully we get to hit 100. Maybe, maybe not, but we will see. We shall see. We definitely shall see, man. I need to get a thumbnail or something. See if I can get a thumbnail. If not, I just try to get one from the video or something, man. Looking silly with this damn camera right on my face like that. But we'll get a thumbnail some way, somehow, shape or form. So make sure we're recording. We are. All right, while we wait, man. So let y'all know where we at. Of course, at Charlotte Motor Speedway in Concord, North Carolina. So the track is 1.5 miles long. The turns are banked I think like 24 degrees or something like that. It don't sound like a lot, but when you see it in person and get up on it, it feels really, really, really stiff. I mean, I said stiff, bro. I meant steep, man. Steep. I'm tripping. It's still early, man. Been up for since 5:30 or so. So it's banked, like I said, about 24 degrees if I'm not mistaken. 1.5 miles long. We're gonna do the oval. They do have a road course that goes on the inside of the track. Pretty much, the track is similar to, if you're in Atlanta Motor Speedway, is similar to Texas Motor Speedway. In fact, the same person that owns those tracks owns this track as well. They're all part of that same family or whatnot. So I'm gonna take y'all around here. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see what we get to do today. All right, we're about to pull off. Hopefully my GoPro don't fail me, man. I'll be mad if that happened. So we're pulling off. This pit road, we're going backwards down it, really. See, man, kind of didn't want to be at the front. I'm gonna try to, hopefully we get to go get some speed into it. Hopefully we get a little bit of speed, man. I'll be mad if we didn't. Beautiful day out here though. coming through the front stretch, of course. Start finish line. Oh, now we going now. Alright, headed down to, hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm gonna keep the windows down. So going down in the first turn, I'm gonna be right up here by the wall. Up here by the wall. Alright. Back stretch. You see the big movie board up here? Down 3 and 4. See how steep this is, man. It's kind of bumpy. It's a little bumpy. It's not all the way smooth. One lap back in the first corner. Run that high line. Man, really rails on the block. He right behind me. Hope we get a little space here. Maybe I can get a little faster. All right, you got a little space here to get a little run going. It's kind of fun though, I ain't gonna lie, man. Of course, you know you want to go faster, but you know we're gonna have as much fun as we can while we out here. See, I'm gonna get a little run here. Back to turn 3 and 4. Back in 1 and 2. I'm gonna get a little space on this one, man. I'm gonna go ahead and let it eat a little bit here. All right. See what we can do. We're gonna let it run here. Woo, yes sir. back to the front stretch. I don't know if y'all can see around here. See the whole track on the banking. Yes, sir. That was kind of fun. Kind of fun there, man. Headed back on pit road, and they're supposed to take a couple pictures of the cars and stuff, man. So, all right, headed to the infield part where all the garages and stuff are located. Thank you, thank you. You going again? No, I'm not. All right. I could say it again, but nah, I'm good, man. All right, so we headed where the garages and stuff are located. We're gonna get a little picture, so I'm gonna wind my windows up for the picture. Here, going into victory lane. Really quick here, take y'all through this little process, man. And after that, we'll be out, man. We'll be out of here. Okay, got the cheese. All right, cool. All right, and we are got the picture made. Hopefully I can get a quick little outro while we still in here. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what they.
Got to take you out as a group.
Okay, all right.
So.
All right, cool.
How'd you like it?
It was fun.
Okay.
It was fun. All right, they gotta take us out as a group, and then we go out, wrap it up, you know. I guess they gotta make sure we don't all wander off and stuff. So I don't know if y'all can see, y'all see the big video board back here. They also do Christmas lights and stuff out here as well. So like during the holiday season, which is now, you can drive around the speedway and they got lights and stuff. So a pretty good thing to take the family and kids and all that kind of stuff too. I'll probably be back out here for that. I ain't gonna make a video on that, man, because this is cars. I don't think y'all want to see me with the family go look at Christmas lights and anything like that. So so let's see what.
Just get behind him.
Okay. Yep. So I guess we headed out or nah? And we're still waiting, man. I'll pick y'all back up when we get out. As you can see, it's me and the rally rails. We out here. We just got off the track, man. We did the laps for charity, man. It's for a good cause and it's fun too, man. Of course, you know, you get out there, you want to go faster than they let you go. But you know, we have fun for a good cause, like I said, man. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit a thumbs up, man. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. And most importantly, subscribe to both our channels here, man. And that's gonna wrap it up, man. We're gonna catch you on the next video. We are out. Cut it.